Hello friends, once again I'm giving an iMovie tutorial. So I think you are clear with my media audio titles. So now you might be wondering what are backgrounds and transitions. So I'm going to tell you what are backgrounds. So for example, you didn't have this photo. So what would you use there? And you wanted to add a title. So what would you use there? So in this kind of situations we use backgrounds. As you can see here, for example, if I want to add a title over here but I have nothing, so for title to be, so I'll take some background over here as like this and take one more title and type here something. Now you can see this is looking good. If there wouldn't be any background, this would not look very nice as like this. So now if you made like this a photo, then if you want to extend your music till here, you can just keep your cursor at end of your music and just drag it till the end of your movie. So now you can see my video. Yeah, now you can see between these it is looking black, not very nice. So we use transitions to make them look good. For example, there are a lot of transitions over here. You can take any of those like this. I like this one, so just add them between those two. So now you can see it's not looking as black as before. So this was the use of backgrounds and transitions in your video. If you want to make your video look more good like my videos, you can use background and transitions. So hope you enjoy my video. Please like my video, share my video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.